So let's look at more examples, such as page 72, letter G. If you look at letter G, it shows that 2 cubic root 3 times 4 cubic root 9. 2 and 4, they are rational numbers, so you may multiply only these two. And then cubic root 3 and the cubic root 9, they are the radical number, so you only multiply between them. Then it becomes 8 cubic root 27. So far it could be answer, but we need to simplify 27. So 27 is 9 times 3, 3 times 3. Oh, it complete triple, which means it become 8 times 3. So become 24 should be the answer for this problem. Let's look at J. J is square root W minus 2, square root W minus 9. Okay, then like we did before, we fold them out. Then this become square root W square minus 9W minus 2 square W root W plus 18. Then this become W and total become 11 root W and plus 18. That should be the answer for this problem. What about the M? M is square root 3 minus 2 root 5 square. Okay, this one, if you think this answer is 3 plus 4 times 5 and then 3 plus 20 equal to 23, then this is the totally wrong, because whenever you see like that, you must multiply same thing twice. That's what this means. And then you have to fold them. So it becomes square root 9 minus 2 root 15 minus 2 root 15 plus 4 root 25. So you may notice that I just multiply between rational number, also between the radical number only. Okay, now simplify if it is possible. Then this becomes 3 minus 4 root 15 plus 4 times 5. So 3 minus 4 root 15 plus 20. So the final answer become 23 minus 4 root 15. That will be the answer. Then one last question, maybe Q. What about these problems? Root 3 minus root x times root 3 plus root x. As you see there, conjugate. Conjugate case, you can apply this property. Therefore, this become root 9 minus root x squared, which means 3 minus x. That will be the answer for this problem.